Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video I'll show us on how we can make a debug activity, a custom debug activity with our sketchware project. For instance, if our app crashes and we want to get the message in our email as a feedback or also or report bug feature, so we can see how we can do this in sketchware. So when I click create crash, it crashes. So let's see how I did this in sketchware. So I created my project and added this button. So now this button, what it does is I just create a sample crash logic. So this crashes. So why I use this try catch block is because sketchware automatically catches bug, but it doesn't work every time. So this try catch will catch it every time sketchware does not catch it. So when we click the button, we see a try catch. Let's create an activity that is our custom activity. While creating it, please name it debug. Name it debug. You can name it anything, but in cases where try catch doesn't work, sketchware catcher will work. So that's why I said in both scenarios, it's best you create it as debug activity. So in our debug activity, we can see the UI if the user wants to report bug. So if you want to report bug by email, when the user clicks this button, it goes to the email. You can write the email here. You can replace my email with your own email when you get this project. So you can replace it. Then if the user doesn't want to report the bug, feels too lazy to report, the user can restart the app using this simple logic. So this is it. When the app you want to crash, for instance, if you use a code you are not sure of, it's best you put all the codes inside here. You put all the code inside this place. All the code you are not sure of, you put them here. So anytime something goes wrong, it will catch it and go to our custom debug activity. So that is all. So we can get this project just as you can see. We can report the bug and to send us an email. Send us an email with the complete error message. To send us an email with the complete error message, you can see. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks once more.